right, on our suffix worksheet that just went with our lesson, at the top it says to figure out a new word, look for a suffix or a word part added to the end of the word. The suffix full means full of, and the suffix ly means in a way that is. Just grab one, please. We are going to read each sentence, and then we're going to underline the word that has a suffix, and then we're going to write the word and its meaning. Okay? So we're just actually going to write its meaning. So can you guys just cross off the word? We don't need to write the word. We're going to underline the word. So can you cross off this right here? Mrs. Murphy's going to make it easier on you. So right here it says the word. We're just going to write its meaning. Okay? We're gonna. So on number 1, Mrs. Murphy will read it. You see if you can find the word that has the suffix. Number 1 says, those will make a healthful snack. Fox thought. Which word has a suffix? Raise your hand if you can find it. Raise your hand. Carson? No, fox is just an animal. That's a root word. What do you think, Addie? You want to underline it? Okay.
Helpful.
Helpful. Just
Pump. Rephrase. Now.
okay, so helpful. So right now, can you underline, Addie, underline that whole word, helpful. Okay?
That's a big one. You forgot the egg.
Now, if something is helpful, like the snack, what is it? What does that mean? I'm going to look at my suffix, full, and I'm going to say full of. It's full of what?
Help.
Health. It's full of health.
We have help to live.
Right. We're full of health. So if you have a healthful snack, it is full of health. So like an apple would be a healthful snack. Thank you, Addie. A candy bar is not helpful. Brooklyn has a really good question. Is there supposed to be one L? No, because we're giving the definition. And remember, this is the tricky part. On the suffix, there's one L, but when you write the definition, full of, you have to have 2 L's. I know that's tricky. It's very tricky, and I don't know why they do that. They just want to make it hard on you guys.
Miss Murphy, do we have there's a P.A. Do we have to? Is this?
No, it's one word. It's health. Full of health. Okay, if you're coming in, just copy what we have on number 1.
I just did.
Okay, perfect. This is Charlotte. Person Charlotte. No? Oh, it's not Charlotte.
Wednesday, I didn't do it. Sorry. I probably fine.
Perfect. All right. Number 2. He should be able to reach the grades easily. What word has a suffix? Ingrid. No. Oh, you know what? Grapes do. But guess what, Ingrid? Let's underline that one, but let's not write that one down because on this paper, they want us only doing full or leaf. So can you find another one? So underline grapes. Grapes means more than one. And easily. Good job.
I was close to spelling
Easily. Now, guess
Yes.
what they did to the base word easy? Easy is E-A-S-Y, but they dropped the Y and
And put
added
a I.
I-L-Y. So, let's say in an easy way. So if something is easily, like you did it really easy, you did it in an easy way. So maybe you easily ran a mile. You did that easy
No,
way.
we had to do that on Thursday. We had to run the mile.
Okay, now the reason why Mrs. Murphy put an N there, we haven't talked about this yet, is because this word behind it starts with a vowel.
I can't. Is there any vowel that?
Okay, get ready, please. Tyson, get ready.
That A or O?
Sorry, Mrs. Murphy will make her A's a little bit better.
Thank you. Now I can.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's a really good eat.
Yes, yes. Thanks for catching up. Yep, I'm gonna wait.
Did you use your finger?
I'm gonna use this.
Look at how good that is.
Good E. Good E.
It's a good eat, Abby.
Okay, Mrs. Murphy's just gonna read the next one. We'll see if Frank can find the word that has the suffix. The wind began blowing strongly. Wyatt, can you find it? You can use your finger at the pen. What is the word that has the suffix? Strongly. Good job, Wyatt. What does strongly mean? In a strong way. In a strong way. You're gonna write that? Oh, okay. In a strong way. Do you want Mrs. Murphy to write it? Oh, you got it. Okay. In a strong way. So if something like the wind was blowing strongly, it's in a strong way.
What to do after this one?
Yeah.
After this, are we going out for recess?
We still have 3
So
STRONGEL.
it's supposed to be like, I accidentally write it strongly. Different stuff.
In a strong, and then put way. And the word way is right there. Fluffy.
I always do it in the wrong line. In a strong way. Yes, sometimes I'm so Miss Murphy. Oh, that's too close to the A. Miss Murphy, don't put the L-Y.
Just put in a strong way.
Not L-Y?
Nope. No, in a strong way. Okay, can you get it?
Is that an H or an O? I mean, is that an H or an N?
Good job.
Is it an H or an N?
Strong. Your word is right here. Strong. S-T-R-O-N. You can just copy that right there.
There it is.
Okay.
G-L-Y.
Turtle. Number 4. Turtle had an idea that was helpful. What word has a suffix? Brooklyn, what do you think? Sure. Let's see if Brooklyn can find the word with the suffix. What's the word, Brooklyn?
Helpful.
Okay, what does helpful mean? If some
Helpful means like you're helping someone.
no, don't
Helpful one.
don't give me an example. What does helpful mean? Full of help. Good. So if you're helpful, you're full of help. So on the line, right? Full with 2 L's. Full of help. What? No. Full of help.
Help.
Ellie has a good question. Do we have to put periods? No, these are not complete sentences. We're just writing the meaning, and it really isn't a complete sentence. Okay, keep going.
You use your finger when you use the pen now.
want the base word, the root word. Don't write anything more. Okay, thank you. Perfect. Full of help. It would be silly to say full of helpful.
I already know the next one.
Okay, Mrs. Murphy's gonna read the next one, and then I'm gonna scroll this up in a minute.
Is it like the top one?
When Fox was safely back on the ground, he shared the grapes with Turtle. Raylan, you said you know the word that has the suffix and number 5?
Safely.
Safely. Will you come underline it?
Miss Murphy, what's what? Want me to show you something?
No, not right now. Not right now, Miss. Okay, now go on.
Did she borrow my iPad?
Can you borrow Ingrid's, please? Ingrid's, please.
Last time mine worked on hers.
Okay, safely. What is the definition of safely? What does safely mean? In a safe
Play.
In a safe.
Fine.
What's the word we've used on all these? In a safe way. In a safe way. Good job. So, in a safe way. Yep. Good. Perfect. Good job.
Why is Carson's tablet clear? I think that was last year. That was last year. He was watching it. Yeah. I was watching it. Yeah. I was watching it when he was going on there.
Oh, not place, honey. Way. Good job. Safely can mean you're at a safe place, but it's in a safe way. Like if you cross the street safely, you did it in a safe way. Or if you,
You're messing up too.
yeah, I know it's going to be picky today, isn't it?
Can't even see.
I know. The hardest part is when you write,
Your
you are supposed to put your hand on your desk.
put your hand on the, like when you write.
You're supposed to put your hand on your desk.
You can
But
go like.
up at the Clever Touch, you can't because it can't have more than one point touching it, or else it draws a couple lines.
Like.
It's perfect, Raylan. In a safe way. Thank you.
matter. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Oh,